10 life-changing lessons that can transform your money mindset. Are you ready to revolutionize your approach to money? Imagine a life where financial worries are a thing of the past and you have the freedom to make choices and live on your own terms. It's time to unlock the secrets that can transform your money mindset and pave the way towards abundance. Welcome to Wealth Wiz. We want to give you the information and resources you need to manage your money and create a bright future on this channel. We have you covered whether you want to save, invest, or manage your debt. So be sure to click the subscribe button and let's get started if you're prepared to join us on this financial transformational adventure. On this eye-opening video, we will delve into 10 powerful lessons that can reshape your relationship with money. Prepare yourself for illuminating insights, empowering strategies, and practical tips that will set you on a path towards financial prosperity. Number 1. Cash reigns supreme. In times of emergencies or unexpected expenses, having cash on hand provides a sense of security and peace of mind. It acts as a safety net that can rescue us from potential financial pitfalls. When we have cash readily available, we are better equipped to handle any curveballs that life throws at us. Number 2. Genuine wealth lies in frugality. Frugality is not about being cheap or depriving oneself of life's pleasures. It's about making conscious choices with money and avoiding unnecessary expenses. True millionaires understand that every dollar saved can be invested wisely for long-term financial growth. Number 3. Ditch the image game. The truth is, trying to impress others with our material possessions is an endless game. There will always be someone who has more than us, someone who drives a fancier car or lives in a bigger house, and if we base our self-worth on these external markers of success, we'll never be satisfied. Number 4. Financial freedom. When you attain financial freedom, you no longer feel trapped by societal expectations or limited by your bank account. You can choose a career path that aligns with your values and interests, rather than one driven solely by monetary gain. Whether it's starting your own business, taking time off work to raise a family, or pursuing further education, financial freedom provides the flexibility to prioritize what truly matters in life. Number 5. Company matters. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who are driven, ambitious, and have a growth mindset can have a profound impact on your personal and financial growth. Being part of a network of high achievers will push you out of your comfort zone and challenge you to reach new heights. Surrounding yourself with those who share similar values allows for collaboration, accountability, and an exchange of ideas that can accelerate personal growth. Before we go any further, let me extend a sincere invitation to you to join our expanding community. You can access a range of financial material by subscribing to our channel, including in-depth guides, useful advice, and experts' interviews. Therefore, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button to become a member of our money family right away. Number 6. Extravagant spending pitfalls. When you constantly spend beyond your means, you're essentially living paycheck to paycheck. You may be able to afford those fancy dinners or designer clothes for now, but what happens when an unexpected expense arises? Without a solid financial cushion, you'll find yourself struggling to make ends meet. Instead of focusing on short-term gratification through extravagant spending, consider adopting a more mindful approach to money management. Evaluate your priorities and identify what truly brings value and happiness to your life. Number 7. Strategic relationships. The idea of marrying for financial compatibility may seem unromantic to some, but in reality, It can be a crucial aspect of building long-term financial stability. When two individuals are on the same page when it comes to money matters, they can work together towards common goals and make sound financial decisions as a team. Number 8. The art of boring investing. When it comes to investing, many people are drawn to the allure of high-risk, high-reward strategies. They imagine themselves making big bets and striking it rich overnight. But here's the truth. Boring investing is often the most effective path to long-term financial success. Instead of chasing after the next hot stock or trying to time the market, boring investors focus on steady progress over time. They understand that trying to beat the market consistently is a game best left for Wall Street professionals. Number 9. Simplify your investment approach. The step in simplifying your investment approach is to focus on proven strategies. Instead of chasing after the latest fads or trying to time the market, stick to tried and true methods that have stood the test of time. This could include diversifying your portfolio, regularly contributing to a retirement account, or investing in low-cost index funds. Number 10. Embrace the long game. When it comes to investing, many people are tempted by the allure of quick gains and immediate gratification. However, those who truly understand the power of long-term thinking know that patience is key. By embracing the long game, investors can position themselves for maximum growth and weather short-term market fluctuations with ease. By adopting these 10 life-changing lessons into our money mindset, we pave a clear path towards financial independence. So start implementing these lessons today. Take control of your finances. Make wise decisions. Save diligently. Invest strategically. And watch as your money mindset transforms before your very eyes. Thank you for watching today's video. We sincerely hope that it was enlightening and helpful for your financial journey. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you liked it and want to see more like it. By subscribing, you can be sure that you'll never miss one of our upcoming films that will help you achieve your financial objectives. Please share any ideas or suggestions for topics we should explore in the comment section below. The beginning of your financial success is right here, so pay attention for additional money advice.